Story 5. I saw at the palace gate of Oklamish the son of a military officer who was endued with marvelous intellect, sagacity, perception, and shrewdness. Also the signs of future greatness manifested themselves on his forehead whilst yet a small boy. From his head intelligence caused the star of greatness to shine. In short, he pleased the Sultan because he had a beautiful countenance and a perfect understanding, and philosophers have said, power consists in accomplishments, not in wealth and greatness, in intellect, not in years. His companions, being envious, made an attempt on his life and desired to kill him, but their endeavors remained fruitless. What can a foe do when the friend is kind? The king asked, what is the cause of their enmity to thee? He replied, under the shadow of the monarchy of my lord, I have satisfied my contemporaries except the envious, who will not be contented but by the decline of my prosperity. And may the monarchy and good fortune of my lord be perpetual. I may so act as not to hurt the feelings of anyone, but what can I do to an envious man dissatisfied with himself? Die, O envious man, for this is a malady, deliverance from which can be obtained only by death. Unfortunate men sometimes ardently desire the decline of prosperous men in wealth and dignity. If in daytime bat-eyed persons do not see, is it the fault of the fountain of light, the sun? Thou justly wishest that 1,000 such eyes should be blind rather than the sun dark. And well, we don't want anybody blind to the truth and the good, but you know, it's better than the truth and the good be degraded